Alright. Me and Elizabeth went to dinner tonight at Cracker Barrel, and we started an intense checkers match. Intense. And she cheated.
I did not cheat.
She cheated. So we came back home, and my eye itches. So we came back home, and we decided that we were going to have our own round 2. And it's going to go on all night. But we're not going to videotape all that. Alright, this is really bad angle. We need someone to put it on. Okay.
No.
Why?
It still don't work.
It don't.
I got you.
Bear with us. Oh, smart.
Living room
Yeah.
tree.
Yeah. Living room tree. This is Christmas stuff, and it's what, April? Get in the frame.
Why? I can't fit in the frame.
Okay. Alright. We got Beyonce going on in the background.
Okay.
Oh. Alright, alright. I just learned how to play the night too. Bitch, I'ma get you. Okay, you trapped me already. I didn't want that one anyway. I didn't want it anyway. Hurry up. Bon quick, get you. That's in my part.
Go.
I'm so sorry.
Go.
I'm so sorry.
Go.
I'm trying.
Go.
Shut up. Damn. Ha. Shit. This sucks.
I told you I'd win. I'm not telling you what I did. I moved.
You can't do that.
Watch the tape. I moved.
Yo, instant replay. What'd you do? Well, I really hope you can hear this song. Else I'm just jamming to myself. Alright, shh. I'm concentrating.
Peanut. Who's a peanut?
Put her in the frame. Hi, baby.
Beyonce.